Well, hello everybody. Thanks for being here today. Yes, I've been away for a little bit. The week of the storms, the winter storm in Texas, I couldn't even get out of my driveway. Oh, I had painting withdrawals, and then just some other things I had to take care of. But anyway, I'm back in the studio now, and I have a fun little project for you today that I hope you enjoy. It's, I'll say, fairly easy. It should be easy. And you know, my motto is if I can do it, you can do it. So this was fun. Really loved how it turned out. It kind of actually fell along with the vision that I had and that I wanted for it. So let's get right to pouring. So I wanted to do something a little different, and I had something very specific in mind, and I was just hopeful that it would work out right. And guess what? As far as what was in my mind, it did work out good. Did make one little boo boo. I forgot to turn my microphone on my video recorder. So I'm having to remember exactly what I did so I can tell you all what I'm doing. Because I know you can't read my hand talking. Trying to put little notes up top as we go along. These are the colors. It's all listed below. I wanted something bright and cheery and happy, and I think I achieved that. I was really pleased with these colors. My consistency and what I used, I've got all that listed below. It's thin, but not too runny thin. I'm going to put down a base of white here, and this is Flow Acrylics with some, I believe this one has Floetrol in it. It was about a 1 part of the Flow Acrylics and 1 part Floetrol. The Flow Acrylics white has no titanium in it, so it's not something that's going to take over your, your pouring. I do like to use the pouring medium in it because it is a little bit thicker than if you were just painting it on with a brush. And the medium, Floetrol or whichever one you choose to use, helps level your paint. It also lengthens the drying time so that it's not, you can still move it around. You have a good enough window to move all your paint around versus it just drying really quickly and you're stuck with it. Now here it gets a little tricky and you're going to think I'm crazy, but I did not have any little small uh, bottles. I had big, huge ones. And so I had these little syringes that I used or got them for a resin project. But hey, you know what? When you're in a pinch and you need something to work, go for it. And besides, it worked fine. I didn't need any more paint than what I was able to put in these syringes, so it worked perfectly. I got those from Amazon, and like I said, I had them for a resin project, but I knew if I tried to pour it out of that cup, I would have big blobs here and there. So this just worked really good for me. So now for the fun, the straw. Just a little drinking straw, and I'm going to use it to blow out my paint and just create this lovely little border. This was fun. I did have to stop and catch my breath ever so often, but it was really fun to do this and watch it and see those beautiful colors just kind of bloom out. I used the straw from the wrong end. That way, instead of continually having to move my canvas, I could just move the little bent end of the straw to whichever direction I needed it to go. So for this part, just keep blowing until you get the desired effect that you're looking for. There were some areas that, I felt like needed a little bit more, so just keep blowing them out gently until you get that effect and you're happy with it. So I was really pleased with how this came out, and be sure to watch till the end. I'm going to show you what a mock-up of what I'm going to do with this particular piece. But I want to thank you all for stopping by and taking time out to watch this video. I hope you'll leave me a comment, a thumbs up, a like, and tell your friends about us. Designed by Kathy. I will be most grateful. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and again, check the end so you can see what I had in mind for this particular little piece.